pretty messy in here. Well, today I'm in my trailer. I got a couple of repairs to do on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like. Like I've said before, miniature earthquake going down the road and everything gets shaken apart on this trailer. So without me saying anything else, let me go ahead and show you one of the first things that is wrong with this trailer inside here that I'm attempted to go fix. So things are kind of like a little all over the place in this trailer, not all tidied up ready to go camping, but you know, it is what it is right now, and I'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So here's all the camper and everything like that, and some of the stuff that I got to fix what's going on here. So the thing I'm gonna fix today is right underneath this bed. So let me go ahead and prop it up and show you. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. So this trailer was pretty basic, and there's a lot of things that I had to add on to it. Some trailers come with it already, but not this one. So sometimes it's not always good to, you know, go for the cheapest and save some money, but go ahead and get the extras. So one thing, this goes up, and what I want to show you is over here on this side right here, I went ahead and installed these springs, and right there you can see on both sides I went ahead and put some metal plates, because this right there is hollow. So they got a piece of wood going down here, a solid piece of wood, and then right in here that's hollow. So those are bolts, screws with nuts on the other side that I fastened with steel plates. So over here on this side, have the same thing, but look what happened over here. It came apart. So that is what I'm gonna go ahead and fix. But I gotta loosen this up and then go ahead and prop it up with a board. I went ahead and got rid of the tension rod there so I can fix this. So this piece right here is pretty solid piece of wood. It's got one screw there, and then right up there is another screw, and that's it for that one piece. So to hold this all together, and then to have a tension rod, that just blew it apart. So like I said, in the process of fixing this, and gonna probably put more screws in to the piece of wood there. Just showing you that there really isn't much room to work around the bed. So I just went ahead and put a lot of screws in. They got a little piece of solid wood right there, a little piece of solid wood down on the bottom. This whole panel right here is hollow, and then this part right here, there's a piece right here. I don't know how far it goes down, but it's basically two pieces, and as you can see back here, you can see the little piece. So that's on both sides. So along the back side there in the corner, where that board solid wood goes down, I put many screws, and then So once again, just poor quality, and it's a shame that it's only got strong pieces of wood right there on the top and the bottom there, and I went ahead and said why not reinforce this side too. So like I said, this part right here is hollow, and you know, just to save some weight, you know, we sleep on this, and this should support our weight, and it should also support these struts here that I got on both sides. So we also have these overhead compartments that, you know, you come to open them and you want them to stay open. They did not come with those struts either. I had to install those after. And just things that should come with it, because otherwise then you have to wind up holding this while you're trying to get stuff out of the overhead compartment. So now you just go ahead and push it down. There you go. Okay, now that I got that job done, hopefully it doesn't blow out somehow, some way, and I'm gonna go ahead and close it up, and that's it. I'm done with this little project. Now to the next one. So the other part that's broken is, I guess I put way too much weight on the bottom there. This part right down here, it's busted. It's not that thick, and put, again, way too much weight on it for that. So I got to reinforce that by taking all this stuff out and building a little shelf down there that's maybe actually 3/4 of an inch thick or 1/2 inch thick, and putting something stronger down there that is coming off the floor. Start taking the doors off and see what I can do for this project now. Now it's nice and empty, and this is what it looks like. Now I have my thicker piece of wood that's going to go in, and hopefully it goes in the first time, and let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put the piece in. See if I have to do any more cutting. I gotta get this light out. Gotta get it in there the right way. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. There we go. Fits pretty good. Well, all complete. A few extra pounds added to the trailer, but at least I can put all that stuff back in, like right there. So all nice and fixed now. There was a lot of weight on that before, that little piece of wood, and now got something stronger down there on the bottom and a couple of more inches of room. Another fix. Make sure the drawer opens. Nice. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.